Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty's a Girl, chapter 75, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xinyan and Jiangshu. Back in the palace. It's useless to drink the medicine and it's useless to act like a spoiled child. I don't drink this time. It will hurt more in the future. You want me to follow suit. No one cares about you before. Now, you are under my control and I must take care of your body. Oh, she's been sweet, right? Xinyan said to hers, you can coax me to drink. Oh, definitely. She was really acting like a child. Now, she wants the queen to coax her so she can take a medicine to drink. Now, the queen. Yan Yan is the most obedient. Well, I'm not afraid of drinking better medicines at all. Just drink it, right? Now, it turns out the little queen is good on coaxing people. Look at Xinyan now. She was really willing to drink the medicine. Well, it turns out Xinyan, she was really good at acting. Now, she can be a child for hers. Well, it's over. Xinyan, reward a candied fruit. Little Queen is giving her a candy for taking medicine so she can find it bitter. I always wanted to ask you, how did you know that Shutan was mine? Sangbao is your confidant and he named the imperial doctor who he wanted. Even if it's not this, please, he would not be the queen mother. So smart, Xinyan said to hers. Now, definitely the two of them are teasing each other right now. And Xinyan, the little queen said, what are you talking about? And then, it was nonsense. We'll punish her in the mouth. Well, definitely, the little queen is getting weaker. She knows that Xinyan will never refuse her. Why is he getting more and more fierce? Xinyan said to hers, I have already sent a letter to the family. When you are better, we just go back. Now, after saying this, of course, Xinyan, she really got interested. Anyway, the imperial doctor also said that we are overworked and you just have a reason to take a good rest. Why is my hand is so cold? Where's my pitch? Help me pour a soup to the lady. My hands are getting cold. Now, look at her. I've only seen your father and brother, and I'm still there in the court. Will there be afraid of me? You finally went home. If you take me with you, what if your family is uncomfortable? Now, Xinyan, she's been afraid of. You are not a piece of blood. My family is not planning to usurp the power of the throne, so for the fear of what you do. Also, what is your family? Are we not married? Or do you want to divide the line with me? The little queen said to her. Now, looking at the little queen, she put the hands of Xinyan's on hers and said to her, my family is naturally yours too. Well, that was a sweet thing Xinyan's heard, because her relationship to her mother is not like that. Of course, right now, she's been afraid of. However, the empress is going to leave the palace. In this news, I'm afraid that it cannot be both. So the empress is right. It's clear although the queen mother party has been cleaned up by me, but the mother has been in control of the government for many years and the forces are intertwined and some are hidden in the dark. Well, definitely Xinyan has a right point that they should need to be taken care of, especially for the queen. Come, drink the brown sugar's water. Okay, don't think about it anymore. The little queen said to her, how can I still drink it? And my stomach can hold it. Well, just drink a little bit. The little queen said to her. Now, it really makes sense. The two of them seems agitated. If the queen trouble, now they need to think another things so the queen trouble and also hers can be safe. Well, back home, finally Xinyan, she faced the family of the little queen. It was a narrow tension of the family of six. For now everyone was looking at them. Her mother and father and brother and sister. Everyone seems to be looking at them. Now Xinyan was coughing. It is a family banquet. How it be still the same today? She don't want to be shy, that's why she was getting attentions of the family. But of course, the little queen's family is really sweet deal. Now, Everyone seems to be quiet and no one is talking. It will only last for the few moments and finally they will go through. Now, the little queen and Xingyan. And finally, everything was put on the little queen's plate. Well, I thought you could enter the palace so skinny but still gaining some weight. But the complexion's also okay. Want to come and don't eat anything. It's hard, Daddy can rest assured. So right now, everyone's attention was going to the little queen. Turns out that Yora's parents are like this. Only news the people. Yusama is kind and never seen them private appearance. Well, definitely, she's been impressed by the family of the little queen. It is too far from her family, especially about her mother. It turns out that the parents who love the children are like this. The home is warm, Xinyan said to herself. Let's try the dish. It's yours most like it. Now, someone is putting a meat on hers. This dish is the best of the yours. She really likes it. So it turns out this dish is really the little queen's liking. Now it really makes sense. Now Xinyan said to hers, "Thank you." It was the little queen's mother at this moment. Now Xinyan said, "Mother." Well, it was really good that she was calling the little queen's mother like her real mother. And now she is not shy anymore. Everyone seems to be quiet. I am with yours and my wife and our parents are naturally my parents. Well, finally, she is really getting better. Let's see and let's hope she can be better also with her family. Now, close the door. Don't want to be the next. We treat you as a junior, her mother said to hers. Well, definitely, Xinyan. She was really loved by the little queen's family right now. That's why they're really welcoming and also warm to her. The mother can be cook a lot more. It is better than the royal chef, Xinyan said to little queen. Well, definitely. They really find it so delicious. That's why Xinyan, she was really kept quiet. The favor that my father tied is the strongest, and then let my sister throw a trick. Find a windy day and let's fly the kite. The little queen said to her, "Oh, what a sweet things." Now, let's see on what will happen. Nyan Nyan, this is your home. Xinyan, she's been afraid of, especially when facing a problem. And now, it really makes sense. The little queen's family is really heartwarming. That's why right now, she really feels at home. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.